Testinvite offers a powerful question bank feature that allows you to organize your questions using folders and tags. Each question is stored within a folder and can be assigned multiple tags. These tags consist of a name and value pair, which enables you to easily locate and access the right set of questions for any situation. The system is highly customizable, providing you with the ability to implement a wide range of scenarios. When you assign a folder and tags to a question, the question bank automatically indexes these values and creates a dynamic navigation user interface for finding the questions. This allows for easy and efficient organization and retrieval of questions. Let's take a look at some examples. The question bank displays a list of all the available folders. I can select any folder to view its contents. When I select a folder, the question bank lists all the tags associated with the questions inside that folder, allowing me to filter the questions even further. As you can see, when I change the folder, the available tag options also change. This means that each folder can have its unique organizational schema, generated dynamically. Let's take a look at the math folder. There are 18 questions within this folder. I can see that there are 3 tags that have been used to categorize the questions inside this folder: level, subject, and year tags. The user interface also groups the questions by their tag values for each tag name, making it easy to navigate and find the questions you need. You can filter questions by selecting specific tags. For example, to list questions that are in the math folder and have the level tag set to beginner, I can quickly display 15 questions that match my filter. I can further refine the list by selecting the algebra subject tag, reducing the list to 7 questions. Additionally, I can exclude questions with certain tags by clicking on the tag value twice. For example, to remove questions with the year tag set to 2022, the remaining list would consist of 6 questions with the level tag as beginner, subject tag as algebra, and year tag not set to 2022. The question bank updates its indexes automatically and provides an easy-to-use interface for navigating through your questions. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will join me in another video tutorial to explore more features of Testinvite.